What's up, guys? This is the cold start on the 2004 Yamaha Kodiak. It's been sitting for over a week now. Backyard, we usually have it in the garage, but we brought back Dylan's sled, so we have a sled in the garage, and there's really no room for this either, so we just put this back here. So turn the gas on. There. Turn the choke. Just like nothing. Just like nothing. It's about maybe 3 degrees. I need to change the time on this because it's supposed to be 11:03 right there, but it's actually 10:03 because it went back 1 hour, so we gained 1 more hour of sleep. It has no issues. Yeah, it's a bit dirty. I need to wash it before it gets actually snow on the ground. I don't know if you can see my breath, but yeah. Alright, see you guys on the riding videos.